So, you want to be a barber. But there's a problem. You don't have any tools and you only have $50. So I started my search. So you look through a couple different websites until you found the one. Shop like a billionaire, it said. There was a lot of options, and I found exactly what we needed. Clipper, trimmer, shaver, $50. I played some Marvel Rivals, I went skiing, and a few days later, it was here.
Famous, number one, desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.
So for $50, I wasn't expecting much. Each tool basically costs $16, and it feels like it does. It's cheap.
Okay.
But how does it cut?
Check, yeah.
First, let's use the trimmer and make our bald guideline to see if this thing can even cut. And to my surprise, it can. Even though it feels cheap, it is doing the job. Now let's take the stubble down with the shaver. This thing is actually working. I had no hope for the shaver, so I'm very surprised. Now it's time for the star of the show, the clipper. Question is, will it cut?
Shit some fans, huh? Hey, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up.
So this clipper works when you have the blade open to close. But as soon as I put a guard on it, my client said that it was really pulling his hair, and I had to finish my cuts with my regular TPOB tools. Even though it was only worth $50, I was disappointed with this set, but I'm not ready to give up. So I went back. Right off the bat, this clipper is miles ahead in quality. The packaging felt more premium, and even though the last set was 3 machines, none of them was worth even the cheap price. This VGR clipper, on the other hand, was only $70, but feels like a professional tool. It's a little heavy, looks a little ugly, but for the price, the quality is on point. Turns out I need a haircut, so let's get to work.
Hey. Nowadays the pain follow me, deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me.
Now that I've cut my hair, it's time to test this clipper out on some clients. The performance matches the quality. For a $70 clipper, it's got some fairly decent specs. 250 minutes of runtime, 3-hour charge time, Type-C charging, it has a 5-click lever, and most importantly, it has 2 speeds with a max speed of 9,000 RPMs. It's a pretty powerful clipper. This is definitely a crazy find and might just be the best clipper you can find on Temu. I can't say if these will last long term, but for now, they are working great, and they're definitely worth the money. Look, having professional tools is very important, but if you're just starting out, it is possible to achieve great results with a cheaper clipper. Of course, you'll want to upgrade eventually, but if you truly want to be a barber, just grab whatever clipper that you can afford and just start.